Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. Today we'll discuss about assistant military attorney related this topic. Okay. Oh, this is their website. Report. Yeah. Assistant military maritime lawyers. Houston, the city of Houston, located on 3 minutes. The city of Houston, located on the Gulf Coast, is a hub of uh, dollar in maritime trade and industry flow through the Houston area, facilitated by the hardworking men and women who work in these industries. As a result, many multi-billion and million-dollar companies have WhatsApp keywords. Uh, and other workers who are injured in the scores and etc. You see here. Oh, negative already and attorney has that Dennis LLP. We are dedicated to employees that suffer injuries. Everything you can contract with them. LinkedIn, Twitter, and Facebook, and you can show their video. Everything there is a many item you can read. Okay, brothers. So please subscribe our channel. Goodbye. See you in the next time. Please subscribe our channel. So bye bye.